The biggest price most artists pay is not doing their research, but congratulations, you're no longer one of them. I have the 5 best distributors of 2026. No DistroKid, no TuneCore, no Lander, and this is my honest review, no paid promo. I even have a 100% free distribution platform on the list, and I'll also tell you my favorite. Number 1 is not what you expect. At number 5, we have Illustrate Music, which is a boutique music distribution service that is changing the game in terms of pricing and offerings. Compared to the more famous distributors that everyone knows, Illustrate has received amazing feedback, especially for how they handle customer service. This is extremely important because having access to real human support is far better than dealing with automated, botted responses when you are having issues with your music. In comparison to most other subscription-based distribution services, including DistroKid and Lander, Illustrate charges $20 per year with no hidden fees. This subscription includes up to 5 artist accounts, worldwide distribution to all major digital stores, YouTube Content ID, which is very important if you want to monetize your music without already being famous, unlimited uploads, a custom label name, access to a Vivo account, and many additional features. This subscription-based distributor is ideal for artists who want to release consistently, value strong customer service, and want fair pricing. However, while consistency is important, some people do not want to bleed money every single year, especially if they are not yet making money from their music. And that is why we have CD Baby at number 4. CD Baby is an excellent distributor and is probably the most popular distribution service on today's list. One of my favorite things about CD Baby is that they do not remove your music from streaming platforms. This is extremely important because your music remains accessible for listeners forever, even if you stop paying or even after you are gone. If you are not making much money or no money at all, you are not forced to continue paying annual fees. CD Baby charges $10 per single and $15 per album, and after the first year, they take 9% of your revenue. They distribute your music to all major digital platforms and also offer label services, including YouTube Content ID. Some people may think CD Baby is expensive, but this distributor is not designed for artists releasing 100 songs a year. It is best suited for artists who release once or twice a year, or those who release full projects and want their music to stay online permanently without the risk of removal. I personally believe CD Baby takes distribution seriously because they also earn revenue from your success, which means they are motivated to distribute your music properly. Let's move on to my favorite platform, Collab House, sitting at number 3. Before we continue, don't be a stranger to this channel. Leave a comment, even if all you say is, "Hi, I love you." Thank you for that comment. Unlike the previously mentioned distributors, Collab House gives you the option to choose between a subscription model or a royalty split. I personally recommend the royalty split because their subscription model costs €5 per release per year, which can add up quickly if you release a lot of music. Instead, you can choose the 5% royalty split option. Collab House distributes your music to over 65 digital platforms. While this is not every platform in existence, it includes all major streaming services. My favorite thing about Collab House is the insane collaboration opportunities it provides. You can collaborate with content creators on Instagram and TikTok, access sync licensing opportunities, and even trade your music as an NFT. All of this comes with transparent fees. It is also a boutique distribution service, which means you get real customer support from real humans. Moving on to number 2. I kindly ask you to support this channel. Music Industry Configured is here to support you as artists. Please subscribe and type "Music Industry is getting configured" in the comment section. At number 2, we have SoundOn, which allows you to distribute music for free. SoundOn is owned by TikTok, and whether we like it or not, TikTok is currently the most powerful music promotion and marketing platform in the world. SoundOn artists are prioritized on TikTok, and you receive 100% of your royalties. On TikTok specifically, you keep 100% of your revenue indefinitely. On other platforms, you keep 100% of your royalties for the first year, and after that, SoundOn takes 10%, leaving you with 90%. SoundOn also provides strong analytics tools to help you track how your music is performing, along with YouTube Content ID and strong promotional support on TikTok. Now, moving to number 1. Unlike most of the distribution services I've mentioned, this one is a direct competitor to well-known distributors like TuneCore and DistroKid. However, it beats them in many ways, including pricing, customer service, and overall offerings. I'm talking about Ditto. Although Ditto is a subscription-based distributor, its reputation speaks for itself. It distributes music for well-known artists, and public feedback about the platform is extremely positive. You pay $19 per year, keep 100% of your royalties, and receive almost unlimited services, especially if you are a solo artist. You get full access to all major platforms, unlimited releases, and complete ownership of your revenue. Choosing the right distributor for your music career depends on your goals and the stage you are currently at. Use this information as a guide to choose what best suits you. Subscribe and like. It's free, bro. See you in the next one. Thank you.